Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your number one channel where I get solutions to all your solving problems. It's nice having you in class again today. How have you been? On today's video, we are going to show you how to copy Python script from the geoprocessing toolbox or a particular analysis and then paste it on the Jupyter Notebook that is incorporated in ArcGIS Pro, and then perhaps modify the script, right? Good. So now, the first thing is that we come to the geoprocessing, right? Good. Now you can access it from view, and then you open up what the geoprocessing pane, right? Good. So we are looking for buffer. You have the opportunity to search for the particular tool you're looking for. Then our input is actually this road. Then we can call this buffer 50 meters, right? Good. So we want to buffer what this road by 50 meters, right? Okay, let's make it 20 for now. Then let's make this 20 as well. Then the side type is full, the end type is round, the method is planner, and then the dissolve type is what? No dissolve, right? Good. So we can click on run. So we have what, or we have the result, and then this shows what? The buffer, right? Now what we want to achieve on today's tutorial is that let's open up the history. We want to copy this Python command. You can actually save it to send it to Python window, which is also incorporated in this ArcGIS Pro. You can save it as a Python script, but we want to copy this Python command, then come down to insert, and then insert it on this new Jupyter notebook, or open a new Jupyter notebook and insert it. You can use this drop down to add one notebook if you already have an existing one, or you create a new one, right? Good. So we created that. I think there was a description somewhere there. Create a new Python notebook and add it to the project, right? Good. So we have created one, and then we can rightly paste the command that we have copied, right? Good. Now this ArcPy is actually ArcGIS Python API that allows you to perform some analysis in the X-ray suite, right? Good. So we're actually performing a buffer analysis, and then we can break this down to the like using the indentation, which is very important, because you can see the commas that are separating or that are showing us the different parameters of that particular function, which is what the ArcPy.analysis.buffer, right? Good. So we can use this to break down those different parameters to this, right? Now what is the essence of today's tutorial? We have seen that we can actually copy this Python script or the Python command that was used to buffer our road, and then we can also edit it from this Jupyter notebook and then get our own, maybe our own buffer result, right? Good. So now the first one was 20 meter buffer. Let's make this 40, and then that should be the output, right? Good. And then let's also come up to these our parameters and change this to 40 meters. While we are coming up to the Jupyter notebook, we add the inputs to be this NTR paralink road. That's the vector that we want to buffer. Then this is the output directory. Now this arrow in front of the directory shows that that is a raw string because of the back slash we have here, the backslashes we have here, right? Good. So the 40 meter is what? The buffer distance. The full, that means the side, if it is on the left or right, or maybe on the both sides. We have round, and then we don't have a dissolve, and then we have what? The planner, right? Good. So remember, when we go to this point, we were having what? A 20 meter buffer. Now we want to modify this our command or the script to what? To a 40 meter buffer, right? Good. So now let's run. This is the process, and it has been completed, right? So now we can see two buffer results under the content, the layer. So if we come up to maps, we are going to see the both of them as well, right? Good. So we can decide to zoom the both of them to layers to see. Good. So we have the 20 meter, which we use what the conventional buffer command from the geoprocessing toolbox, and then we also have what the 40 meter, which we have actually modified from the Jupyter notebook, right? That is incorporated to what our ArcGIS Pro, right? Using this API from using this ArcGIS and Python API, right? There are other processing tools that we will explore and exploit on the channel. Very soon we are going to see how to install some of these Python libraries that we can use on the conventional, or maybe the standalone Python program, and then see how we can perform some geospatial analysis on Python, right? So for now, thanks for coming to class. We have shown you how to, on the ArcGIS Pro, modify a Python command to get what your desired result by writing your first Python program, maybe or maybe not. So we are going to see you on the subsequent one. Ensure you keep staying safe and have a very good time. Bye.